Hello, my name is Qadir, and I found Dentafly online. I had problems with my teeth, I let them go bad, and I was talking to my boss, and he recommended Dentafly. So I did some research online, and it took me a while, 1 to 2 weeks, and afterwards, I gave them a call. Everything was fine. I came over on a plane, they picked me up. At the airport, had a guy standing there with a sign for me. Made me feel good. A new place, new country. Took me to the hotel. Hotel was paid for as well. And they saw me. A little skeptical of dentists. Reason why I let my teeth go bad in the first place. But they put me out with anesthesia. Next thing I know, I woke up, I had my implants in. Went back to the United States. Healed up for 3 months. Made another round trip. Came out again. Picked me up from the airport as well. Hotel paid for. Came back, and this is what I have, a brand new smile. 28 fabulous teeth by my doctor, who was the best dentist I ever met in my life. If you have a problem with your teeth, come see Dentafly, give them a call. These guys are professional. They have a big team. They have the offices downstairs. They have the computers downstairs, they have the hardware. They don't have to ship anything out. Everything is in-house. It takes a little bit of time, but it's well worth it. I feel confident with my smile now. I think I can eat a lot of foods I haven't been eating before. Should pick up my health. And I recommend Dentafly for anyone. For me, it's a game changer. No brainer. I'm glad I made the decision. Thanks, Dentafly.